How to fix Google Maps. Something went wrong. In this video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this problem on your Google Maps. Just watch this video and till the end. Now you have to open settings of your phone. Here, search for apps option. Open it like this. When you find it, then search for maps. As you see, I found maps. I open it now and I go to storage, click on clear data and click OK on it. And then you have to go back and click on first stop and click OK also. And now what's next? You have to go to this option, set as a default, and here you have to turn off this option, open supported links like this, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope, guys, this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to liking, subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.